know, but that was like
We are at Historic Collinsville. We are about to go see the Christmas parade, and I'm just going to show you around a little bit. The historic buildings and the Christmas decorations and everything. Oh, it looks super cute and the weather is beautiful. We're getting some refreshments. There's some tables out here. Hello. Oh, cute.
You want anything?
Beans. I would take some beans.
Yeah. Beans? Yeah, we'll get 2 things of beans. And do you want cornbread as well?
No, I don't like
and
cornbread.
1 cornbread.
Okay. Right here, baby. How many bowls you want? 2?
Just 2, yeah.
Oh, we should have 1 bowl maybe?
Just 1?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, we'll
just
share
one.
1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
2 spoons, they can share.
Thank you.
Just 1 cornbread.
Just 1 cornbread.
You eat that one, you gonna want some more.
I'm probably gonna want
That looks
some more.
good.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. That looks
Eat
nice.
that, you gonna eat some more. You want?
I think I'm good. I had a big breakfast this morning. So.
You know you do.
Here.
Yeah, later on.
All right.
Thank you. I'm just so hungry. It's just beautiful. It's the perfect weather. You want to destroy the beans?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know that you're an expert on the wives' tales. You got any more to tell?
Yeah, so if we're in Tennessee and we have persimmon trees, so if you cut a persimmon open and harvest the seed, you'll find either a knife, a fork, and a spoon. The spoon will tell you in the seed that you will have a heavy snow that winter season. And then I can't remember what the fork or knife is, probably less than
yeah.
that.
Oh wow.
Otherwise, so.
Thank you. I usually don't like cornbread, but this one is really good. I'm also very hungry. Isn't that super cute? If you watched my older video, we've been here before with our friends. And we did like a walking tour through the Historic Collinsville. So if you want to rewatch that, that was a video from last summer. It's a very cute tree.
Nice.
Hi!
Welcome to Arcane. How are you?
Hi. Good.
Are you all making this a Facebook?
Of course.
Jeff messed it up.
Oh, he just said he has a control freak at home. Guess you're referring to Oskar, aren't you?
Obviously.
Man, my hair's all over the place. Oh well. I love this place though. It's peaceful out here, it's in the middle of nature. The houses are beautiful. My lips are chapped. Looking at the pollinator garden. Some sage. I love making tea out of sage. Oh, that smells so good. That feels like cloth. kitchen towel. That was very, very satisfying. It does not feel like a plant. In the car. Very cute, isn't it? Oh, I know these. We have that tree at home. It's a Pavlovnia tree. It has huge leaves. A little nativity here. I love the decorations here. Natural and made out of wood or evergreens and just plants. Just very precious. Trying to find a good spot for the parade. Just walking down the path a little bit to get out of the parking lot situation. Feels very autumny here. More autumny than wintry. You're so cute. We're sitting here and waiting for the parade to pass us. The trees here are massive, by the way. They must be so old. It doesn't come off on the video, but this is a huge tree. Just look at this tree here.
Oh, it's
This is massive.
Collinsville, and we're excited. We had the very special time here at Historic Collinsville, and we did a video featuring Jeff Harris, and we're going to have more interviews with him.
It's starting.
Get all the candy to yourself.
Candy! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas!
Come ride with us.
Beautiful horses!
One time you can come ride these.
Ooh. Oh, we can ride with them? Look at all the candy I got. Oh, that's a cool car. That's cute. Look, Chevrolet. That's very cute. Merry Christmas! That is too cute! There's a little donkey coming, so it's cute. Merry Christmas! Oh, oh my goodness!
Destiny.
Oh my goodness!
I want to pet it.
Oscar,
but
Christmas.
oh, cute! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Sir.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas again!
got it made.
That was the Christmas parade. It was really cute. I preferred it way more than the one downtown because it was just way more cute and everything was more like natural and less glitter and plastic, but more just friendly people and nice atmosphere. Just gonna say hi to the donkey now. I'm gonna try to pet the donkey now. ice cream. They got some dairy-free options as well. And they got cinnamon buns. Oskar, eggnog. Hi, Chance. Oh, are you happy? Oh. Shotzi. Hi, baby. I'm so glad I didn't eat one single thing. You're so funny. The air is very crisp today, isn't it? I'm filming and walking. I'm multitasking. Come. Hi. Hi. Ice or something. In a boat? In a raft?
Yeah.
Like a wild water raft?